Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin watch to Garmin Connect. First, download the Garmin Connect app from your device's app store, available for both iOS and Android. Next, ensure your Garmin watch is fully charged and powered on. Finally, have your smartphone or tablet nearby with Bluetooth enabled and ready. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful setup process, preparing both your watch and phone for seamless integration. Make sure everything is ready before proceeding to the next stage. Now, open the Garmin Connect app and either create a new account or sign in if you already have one. From the main menu, navigate to Garmin Devices and then select Add Device. The app will guide you to put your watch into pairing mode. Once prompted, enter the unique 6-digit code displayed on your watch screen into the app. This establishes a secure connection between your watch and your smartphone, allowing them to communicate effectively. Once your devices are successfully paired, your Garmin watch will automatically begin syncing your activity and health data with Garmin Connect. For a manual sync, simply open the app and pull down on the My Day screen. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection, whether Wi-Fi or cellular, for successful data transfer. You can then review all your activities, health statistics, and progress conveniently within the application, giving you valuable insights into your fitness journey. If you encounter any issues during pairing or syncing, a good first step is to restart both your Garmin watch and your smartphone. Also, check that your watch's software is up to date, which you can do via Garmin Express on a computer. For optimal performance, keep your watch within 10 meters, or about 33 feet of your phone during syncing. If problems persist after trying these steps, don't hesitate to contact Garmin support for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.